Hey, did you know? We got a new beard oil, new formulation, new packaging, new price. Get it at beardbrand.com. Now onto the cut.
Hey guys, it's Cisco. I'm here at my studio. I have my buddy Ed here with me. Today we're gonna give him a makeover. So you're gonna start off with the trimmer, setting the ball line. I'm thinking here for Ed to do like a drop fade. So keeping pretty much all the weight here towards the back for this wearability of having like the long hair for somewhere for it to sit on. So we're gonna do a pretty low guideline. Here for the drop fade, I like to keep the guideline pretty close to his natural hairline, but still giving me some space to like basically bald out. How's the real estate going, bro?
It's going pretty well, man. Got a meeting a little later today with one of our clients who lives in your house. So
Nice.
go over there and do a little consultation, check it out, and put it on the market, man.
I'm gonna go in with my half just to create like the first guide. That Chef Shenko fight I saw that highlight of that one.
Oh yeah.
That kick to the face.
See, I didn't even get to see the highlights on that one.
You just hear that that slap just boom.
She knocked her out, right?
No, but it hit her like square right in the face. I'm gonna move over to my number 2 and following that same outline that I created here. Now that I established my 2, I'm gonna work right under that with a 1, and just from this line here, just work my way up to the 2. So 1 close. Finish off here with my half guard. We're gonna go in at this line here. Bro, you see that Rockets game was it yesterday against the Jazz?
What was it, the Jazz? Can you get that buzzer beater?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I saw the highlight actually this morning for it, so that's pretty wild.
I don't know if we're gonna survive playing small ball, or just
Like
the
what they tried
Rockets.
to do, yeah. Well, they beat the Lakers at one game. Playing it, but yeah.
I'm gonna go back in with my 2 and open it all the way to make it a 2.5, just to prep me for clipper over comb here in a bit. Or now that we got the 2.5 all the way down to basically the 0 with the trimmer, we're just gonna take that line out with the clipper no guard. We're gonna start off fading out the trimmer line. You watch any of the XFL games over the weekend?
XFL?
Mm-hmm.
No, they still have that?
Yeah, they brought it back. This past weekend was the first games.
Oh, shit. That's the arena one, right?
No, it's literally like the NFL.
Does it feel smaller?
No, it's the same size.
Same size,
Yeah.
Okay.
Just there's some rules that are different. I don't know how, but I know they're different. They got the commentators going up to the players after each play, and they're like, "Hey, what was that about?" Or "What did you think about that?" And
Well, that's pretty dope. Are there any ex-pros on there?
I think so. All I'm doing now is just doing any like detail work, just getting rid of some of like the darker spots in the transition areas with the one. And then we'll jump over to the shaver and just knock down the stubble here at the bottom. I'm gonna touch up his hairline here, just keep it real natural, but just clean up some of the shorter hairs. Now we're gonna go with clipper over comb and just connect the, or just build that shape up. And in the back here, I want to be real careful not to take too much weight off, just because I don't want to bring the fade higher. I still want to have like a nice amount of weight towards his occipital bone. Just gonna go over with the shear over comb just to refine. For the top, we're just gonna clean up a little bit. I like where the length is, where it's sitting. Just refining any long hairs that are up top. After we're done, you leave with like a shaved head. Cool. That's what I asked for. I'm also angling the shape of his hair to go like this versus a squared layer, just to help on this side here kind of build a little bit more weight whenever he styles it. Gonna apply some grooming spray before we do the blow dry, just to give it a little bit more lift and volume. Well, that's not too hot, right? You already had some product come in there, right? Yeah. I'm gonna just add a little bit of powder wax here. Just to kind of help you with the product you already had in there. Yeah, it's nice for whenever you don't want to like put a lot of product. It helps it with feel like there's something in there, but not too heavy.
Yeah. We make it kind of this stuff.
Yeah, man.
I dig it.
Oh yeah.
Not gonna lie, I bet you thought that you weren't gonna see me around anymore. Well, it's true. If you want to see me around, you gotta head over to Beardbrand Alliance. Otherwise, if you hate me, stick around here at Beardbrand. I'm not here anymore.